It's Thursday, September 3rd, and I am up, ready to catch the big trade today. I'll go for 100 ticks, and I'm going to take the trade here shortly. I'm just looking for a signal, and I will be right back shortly to take the trade and show it to you. I have taken a short position. I'm going to set a stop. I'll be right back. Stop is set at 47.24 right there. It's coming up against me. It might hit me. It's being a little radical here. I'll be right back. I just want to measure something really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, it came and got my stop right there. And it looks like it's going to be a long for today. I'm not sure about that yet. I'm about to take another entry here. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a short position here. I will be right back. I'm going to go set the stop. It's a somewhat large stop. It's all the way up to 36. That's like 18 ticks. Nothing I can do about it. It's part of playing the system. It's running big right now, but once this thing starts to move, it'll really move. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, it's moving down here. I'm going for 100 ticks on this trade, but I may increase that because it's been running big every day. Every day this week, it's been running. Well, between this week and last week it ran 300 ticks plus, then it ran 500 ticks on one day, and then on one of the system 2, 500 ticks, and then yesterday it was 230 ticks. The day before that it was like 200 ticks, something over. It's been running big every day. So, and the euro didn't do anything today, so it's all wrapped up into this one right here. It's going to snap and make a big move. So I may go for about, I don't know, 120 ticks or so on this one, something like that. We'll see. See how it acts. I'll be right back. I have just closed and reversed the position. I am now long. I've got a signal to go long. Re-looking at it, I can see where the system 2 is, and I just got a confirmation as well. So we are definitely system 2 long. I am long in it now, and it will go up. I am just going to hold this for the full 20 at this time right now. Full 20. I'll be right back. I want to check something. The good news is this thing should take off pretty good. Let's see, where's the top? The top is at like a little over 49. Where are we at? 47? 48? 49? I should be able to get like maybe even 150 ticks out of this trade. But 100 ticks should be in the bag. No problem. No problem at all. It's going to rip higher. That's what it's been doing, is ripping higher. And it's somewhat uncharacteristic for it to go up here, so it's going to make a special move and move up. So I'm all over it. I should get at least the 100 tick trade, which I'm not sure how many ticks I was down. I think I was down a little over 20. So probably about a 75 tick profit for today, hitting the 100. But I could probably go for 125 and make it an even 100 ticks for today. But we'll see. We'll see how it acts. If it acts like it's a good trade for that, I'll definitely go for it. Otherwise, the 100 tick exit is on there and just waiting. It'll be up at 48.27. So I'll come back shortly to show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. It wouldn't surprise me if this thing actually went up today. Let me show you the daily chart. I'll be right back. See, this is what's happening here. On the daily chart, we're moving straight up on a green bar here. This thing ripped higher on Monday, ripped higher on Tuesday, ripped higher 500 ticks on Wednesday. came down on oh, wait. I guess I have my dates mixed up. Whatever it is, I don't remember now, but um, this thing's been really moving every day. There's a good chance this thing will move up at least to the top up here to 49 and maybe even break. It's a possibility because the range on it, to what it's been doing, would take it up to there. So I'm, assuming that it pans out in the sense that it keeps up this major momentum bullish and just keeps making this green bar straight up like this, just like this one for instance. I'll hold on to it and go for like 125 ticks or so, maybe even more. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what the daily looks like. You can really use the daily in your trading to really help you a lot, especially with my system. I use it all the time as like a guide, so to speak. Anyway, I will be back shortly to show you the progression and the outcome of this trade. You can see the 10-minute there, though. It's, gone straight up off the 10-minute chart. But still got a long ways to go. Just have to be patient. I'll be back shortly. It just reached a high of a little over 48, like 48.01, 48.02, something like that. So it spiked up there a little bit, up to 48.01 or so. And not get out early here. That's important because the difference in money in knowing that is huge. It's gigantic. And that's what I just want to point out, is that my system knows this. That's how I know it. It's because of the system. And the system knows this. Anyway, I just wanted to point that out, just to show the power of the system. Because when it goes up and hits my exit in a little while, you'll see. You'll be like, wow, that's amazing. Because, you got to admit, most all people, look at the profit dwindling away. Most all people would just get out and say, okay, well, I got to lock in some profit here. Because I was down and negative. And now they'd want to stay green, right? True or not true? It's true. Now watch what's going to happen. Is there any indication to you whatsoever as a trader of any kind that it's going to turn around and go back up? Doesn't it look like it's going to come down now? Watch. I'll be back. Show it to you. Okay, it's getting close to the exit here. I'm just going to let it hit the exit. It's at 27. It's right up here. That's how close the exit is. I'm just going to let it go for the exit and then call it a day today. It should be able to hit it. The math on it is pretty good. And I'll be right back and show it to you. It should happen pretty quickly here. Be right back. We're within striking distance here. It just made a new high of like 17, I think it was. Yeah, it's about to go break that now. And here comes the exit. People don't trade oil because they don't know about oil. I didn't know about oil before either. And then I discovered it, and I've been trading it ever since. There's nothing out there that I know of that moves like oil does. And there's nothing out there that has a system too, like oil has. So oil is the ultimate trading instrument, and it is the ultimate way for any trader to be able to make money trading. If you want to invest, you've got the stock market, you've got stocks. If you want to day trade every day and make your money, you can do this. Even if you want to trade part-time, you can do this. This is the best trading instrument and the best way to day trade there is that I personally know about. Okay, I'll be right back. Exit should be coming up shortly. There it is right there at 27. We've only got about 14 ticks there. So almost there. Be right back. Okay, it's wanting to take another dip down again here. You can see this. And I'm just going to hold it. The system 2 will be good for more. It's just going to take a little bit longer, that's all. but it did make it close. It came up to 17. I'm at 27, so it came 10 ticks away from my exit. That was 90 ticks there from a 100 tick exit it came to. Now I just have to wait for longer. It'll go back up again, go break that, and go a bit higher. How high, I'm not sure, but it'll go higher. It's been running that every day. That's the benefit. Another benefit of the charting service is that it shows you what it's running every day. That way you know what to go for. Okay, I'll come back. Invaluable, isn't it? I'll come back. Okay, here comes the exit. Here we go. Just a nice, easy 100 ticks for the day. Too bad I had to lose the first trade. It was tricky, but I called it perfectly. It's just that it was a bit tricky. It looked like it was going to go short, and then it went long. So, you know, it can be a little bit tricky. That's why you definitely have to be on your toes and pay attention to it. That's for sure. There we go. 100 ticks for today. I just lost like about 20, a little bit more than 20. 20 would have put me at 4. So I lost about 26, 7 ticks, something like that. And I didn't have a very good start, did I? But sometimes I hit it, you know, right the first try. Sometimes it takes me a couple times. Sometimes it just, you know, whatever. It just depends. But every day, you know, you try to nail it. And today it was just a little tricky. I really thought it was going to go short. It even double topped, and then it broke, and I could tell that it was not going to go short. It was going to go long. But it was called perfectly. I called it perfectly in my charting. With respect to the system, too. I called it perfectly. So if you are serious about doing this, you should join my charting. First, learn how the system works. System 1, the system 2, obviously. You need to learn that. Then come join my charting and let me predict it for you. I'm tracking it and predicting it. I'm doing it every day and doing really super well with it. Today, the euro didn't do very well because it didn't do anything. It just didn't go anywhere. It didn't go up or down. It just went sideways. But I called the entry for the system 2 that I just took. Now I took it. I read it that it was going short, so I took it short, and then it went back the other way, and then I took it long, and I got it. Sometimes that does happen, you know, but once I got it, I knew what to do with it, which was to hold it. I knew where the exit would be, and I was right. Right? You saw me do it. This is what I'm going to be doing every day. Assuming I can get myself up in the morning. I can. It's just really tough for me, but I will, because I really want to show this to you. And you're going to see this for yourself, how well this works. And then you can come do it with me. Come learn how to do this. Join the charting service and come do this. This is the real deal. It's not a game. It's not a joke. It's not a scam. It's the real deal. Okay, I am going to go. I'll be back tomorrow, which is Friday, to try to catch the big trade again. Actually, I should be able to catch it, no problem. Well, I shouldn't say no problem. I did lose the first trade today, but I mean, ultimately I'll catch it. And hopefully I can catch it with the first trade, which is what I'm always trying to do. It's all I need is one trade. And then I catch this big trade by knowing how it works. It's the most powerful system in the world. And profitable system in the world. So I will see you traders tomorrow. Happy trading out there. For all of you that are already a part of my system, I hope you're doing really well, and I hope you nailed the trade today. It wasn't that hard. And then tomorrow should be even easier. So let's nail the trade tomorrow, make an easy 100 ticks, and call it a good week, and we'll have a good weekend. Okay, so I'll see you traders tomorrow. Have a good day out there. Happy trading.